In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your plan on Zoom. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to complete checkout confidently. Start by opening the Zoom website in your browser. On the top right, click Sign in and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll be on your account dashboard. If you manage more than one account, make sure you're in the correct one before moving on. Next, head to your account settings. Look for Plans and Billing or Plans and Pricing in the menu. Either path will take you to the page that shows your current subscription details. Here, you'll see an Upgrade button. Click Upgrade, then locate your current plan card. You should see clear options to move up to Pro or Business. If you're aiming for Enterprise, that option typically requires contacting sales directly, so you won't complete that upgrade through the self-serve checkout. Now choose the plan that fits your needs. Pro is great for individuals and small teams who need longer meeting durations and more controls. Business is ideal for larger teams who need additional features and administrative tools. After picking your plan, set the number of licenses. Licenses correspond to the number of users who can host meetings, so select as many as you need hosts. You can always adjust this later if your team grows. Select your billing preference, monthly for flexibility, or yearly if you prefer a single annual payment and potential savings. Take a moment to review the totals so you know exactly what you'll be charged. You'll see optional add-ons like webinars or large meetings. These are extras for specific needs, such as hosting events or increasing participant capacity. Only add what you know you need. You can always add more later. Click Continue to move into checkout. Enter your payment details, choosing either a credit or debit card or PayPal, depending on what's available in your region. Make sure your billing information is accurate, especially your billing address, as that can affect tax calculations and successful payment processing. Before placing the order, review everything one more time. The plan tier, number of licenses, billing cycle, any add-ons, and the final price. When you're ready, click Place Order. That's it. Your plan upgrade is applied instantly. You should see the new features available right away. If not, refresh the page or sign out and back in. Zoom will also send a confirmation email for your records. Enjoy your upgraded plan and the expanded capabilities it brings to your meetings.